Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add Selenium in Eclipse. First, you will need to download the Selenium WebDriver client and dependency JAR files from the official Selenium website. Make sure you have the Java Development Kit, or JDK, installed and properly configured on your system. Then, open Eclipse and create a new Java project. This project will serve as the container for all your Selenium automation scripts. Finally, we will add the downloaded JARs to this project's build path. To integrate the Selenium libraries, right-click on your newly created project in Eclipse. From the context menu, select Build Path and then Configure Build Path. In the window that appears, navigate to the Libraries tab. Here, you will click the Add External JARs button. Browse to the location where you saved your downloaded Selenium JAR files and select all of them. Confirm these additions to ensure every required library is now part of your project. Now let's write your very first Selenium script. Create a new Java class inside your project. At the top of this class, you will need to import the essential Selenium WebDriver classes. Next, instantiate a WebDriver object. For example, you might use Chrome Driver or Firefox Driver, depending on your browser choice. Finally, write the code to navigate to a specific web address and begin interacting with various elements on that web page, like clicking buttons or entering text. After writing your script, it's time to run it. Right-click your Java class and select Run As, then Java Application. Watch as Selenium automates your chosen browser, and observe the test results in your Eclipse console. If you encounter issues, check for common errors such as incorrect WebDriver executable paths or element not found exceptions. Remember to use Eclipse's powerful debugging tools to step through your code line by line, helping you identify and resolve any problems efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.